Yo! What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage, another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today, I got a little box right here from Milwaukee Tool. I'm actually not even sure what's in this one. I think I know. So let's go ahead and open this up. So a little bit of opening here. This looks like a kit because there's definitely batteries in here. Ah. Okay. I wasn't sure. I thought this might have been a bandsaw. That's kind of what I was thinking, but it's not. It is the impact driver and a hammer drill. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and we will try it out. Okay, so this one actually has that ONE-KEY technology. Oh my goodness, one-handed is dangerous here. ONE-KEY technology, which actually allows you to track the tool itself. You can actually like turn it on, turn it off, see how much runtime it's had. It's kind of a way that people can track their tools or their workers to see if they're actually using the dang things. Here we go, right here. All right, that's the fuel brushless. This is the impact driver. This kit came with the red lithium 5 amp hour batteries. These are really nice. Indicator light shows you where they're at. These ones are on 1 bar. So let me go ahead and grab a charged battery. You can even throw on like some giant ones. This one may need to remove the clip to work. No, actually that will work. So if you wanted like a 9 amp hour battery on this thing to get it real huge, you can. Nice and quiet with that brushless mode. Sweet. So I'm actually gonna try this new ONE-KEY application out. I'm gonna go ahead and get that real quick. All right, looks like I'm in the software now, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a tool. We're gonna add a ONE-KEY item, and boom, that thing is popping up right now on my hammer drill. It is successful. Something that's really cool about this app is I can adjust a bunch of functions on this drill. You see the little work light right there. I can actually change the brightness, so you can see the brightness go up or down, as you can see it dimming and getting brighter. I can also change the amount of time that stays on for, all the way up to like 60 seconds, or even an always on feature. Clutch torque range, you can actually change the torque. So that's the torque on the collar. That's very cool. What is the torque collar? It's that guy right there. So you can change that out. You can actually lock out the tool with this function right here. You can say lock tool. That one's kind of neat because you come up to it and you'll try to use the tool, and now you can't use the tool until someone clicks the unlock button to re-enable the tool. So that could be cool for you know, if someone steals your tool, now it's basically rendered useless and you can go find the dang thing because it's got GPS tracking on it as well. And that's another cool mode. You have the different modes here, so it can show you like how fast the different select modes are, and you can actually customize those as well with the little button feature here. You can make that do a lot of different functions for max speed and low speed and all that, and the kickback and trigger ramp up. So very neat, super customizable. I mean, that's some freaking technology right there. Definitely like those options. And it's cool because, you know, you don't want to lose your tools. I want to give you a quick comparison of this hammer drill right here. Now, I have this DeWalt version. Yes, this is an old version. This is an old 18 volt. Sorry, I don't have a new one. I don't have a newer 20 volt one. However, I do have like a little lithium battery on it. But this is what I want to show you. Yes, I know this is an old drill, but look at the size difference here. On the hammer drill, and that was, I'm pretty sure, mostly because of the hammering function, this little function right here on the DeWalt drill, because I have another one here as well without the hammer feature, and as you can see, that drill is much shorter. It is still longer than the Milwaukee version, however, no hammer function. So as you can see, you know, that is basically extended on. See how it has the extra part in the chuck there? So that's pretty cool. That is very nice and stubby. Again, sorry, this is an older version, but you know, why would I have a brand new one? I don't know. I just don't. But this is an older version DeWalt impact driver, right? Impact driver here, and as you can see, this new Milwaukee version is still, again, much stubbier and shorter. This thing puts out an incredible amount of inch-pounds of torque. It is actually putting out 2,000 inch-pounds of torque compared to the DeWalt or the yellow brand is 1825 compared to whatever the gray brand is 1600. Also, as far as that drill goes, 1,200 inch-pounds of drill and driving force for torque as compared to 1090, and with this DeWalt here 675. So yeah, these things are pretty freaking sweet. I have really changed up my whole lineup from DeWalt stuff to the Milwaukee stuff. I really like their battery system. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in a screw real quick. Impact wise, I mean, yeah, the thing wants to snap crap off. It's definitely in there, and I just destroyed a bit in like 0.2 seconds. So yeah, it's got some torque. There's the other half of the bit. It's got torque in mode 4. It's no joke. So watch out for that mode 4 there, because you may snap some freaking bits in half. But that's pretty badass. Let me try this little 5/16 real quick with a sheetrock screw. I mean, this is just into wood, guys, so it's like, it's whatever. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and put this into some steel. Let's find something. We'll just try that real fast. Very smooth drive. This is a fairly thick wall here too, so it may snap this in half. Ooh, actually, that worked pretty damn good. That was very, very smooth. Again, like I said, I forget what wall size this is. You know, I could probably snap the head off this pretty quickly if I would like. So we're just gonna break it. Let's do a breakage test. Actually, did not break it. It actually just stripped out the hole, which is surprising. Usually that just snaps the head right off. But yeah, as you can see, we are through there, and we stripped out the threads. So cool. Obviously that's not really like a awesome test or anything, but let's go ahead and use the drill. And now we got a little pilot. I'll just go ahead and throw a drill bit through this just for fun. Maybe we'll put a little 1/2 inch hole in this, I guess. For you guys that don't know what hammer drill function is, so this is the normal function here for drilling just normal holes. As you can see, super nice and fast. Now if you ratchet the clutch over to the one that looks like a hammer, that is going to give you impact mode. So if you had a concrete type of bit in there, it's for drilling into concrete, and it's going to make a different noise. Listen, you hear the vibrations as it's going down. So that is the hammer drill mode. No need for that for this, but drilling through like concrete walls and into concrete floors, you'd use that. Let's smoke a little 1/2 inch hole through here real quick, see how it does. Got some torque, as a bit sideways. Definitely recommend using 2 hands and probably not filming at the same time as using a drill, but that drill bit's also seen better days. But yeah, that worked very well. Like I said, this drill bit's been used a lot, guys. It's not a new one, but yeah, altogether, some sweet freaking tools for a nice, totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. This will make a great Christmas present for anyone. I think we got a few days left on Christmas, and I'm sure you guys can get some of these on Amazon Prime sent to your door in probably like 2 days. So I'll have a link down below in the description for those. So thanks a ton for watching, guys. We will talk to you soon later, and wrench on!